Alright, here we go. Gammon steaks, Hawaiian style. I've got two unsmoked gammon steaks there. Rather nice quality ones. They're from Aldi. And I've got some pineapple. Now, Hawaiian style in Europe, specifically in Germany in particular, means it's with pineapple and with cheese. So what I've got here is some gammon steaks. You can use smoked or you can use green like these. I'm particularly using unsmoked this time because I wanted to try them out. And there's some pineapple. Now if you've got fresh pineapple, use it by all means, but I've had to crack open a can of pineapple rings and drain it, which gives me 4 rings. That's 2 rings per gammon steak, and some nice sliced European cheese. This is a Dutch made Emmental style cheese. That's going to be served up with some roasted vegetables and some French fries. So the roast veg is here, it's already prepped up, and what we have there is zucchini, red peppers, onions, carrots and Savoy cabbage, which have all been mixed up, and I've dressed those with some caraway seeds to give it a nice European style flavour, and some ajwan seeds which go particularly well with the carrots in there and give it a nice and lovely flavour. Now that's all going to be roasted until it's cooked. Alright, so now we need to get on and show you the preparation of the gammon steaks. So you'll see what I've done here. I've lined a broiler rack, or a grill rack as we call it in Britain, with some silver foil, and I've literally just laid the gammon steaks on top of the grill rack, because this is actually being done in the oven, and it's being done at fairly high temperature, about 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit in my oven. And you'll notice that this is a rind on gammon steak, so this will be rind on. You can I like to cook it with the rind on. I particularly like the rind myself. Some people don't. If you don't, just trim it off. You can trim it off either before or after you've cooked it. So the next step is to lay the gammon actually on top of the steaks, like that, and like that. And then we don't put the cheese on just yet because we want that to bake, and we want that to cook up first, and then we'll add the cheese just in the last few minutes of baking. Very simple dish this, boys and girls, really simple. So that now goes into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll leave that in there for about 15 minutes to see how it is, and then we'll go from there. Just before they go in, I just want to give them a snip here in a couple of places, and what this will do is mitigate the bowing. What this normally does is these edges will curl up too much. So I just go in there and clip them like that a bit before they go in the oven. Alright, out with my veggies. So you'll see where the heat has caught the corners of the cabbage, and that gives a lovely, wonderful flavour. And there's still some nice crunchy textures in there. There's still some texture in the zucchini and in the carrots, and also in the onions. So that'll be a delicious side for this Hawaiian style gammon steak. Alright, that's the gammon come out. What we need to do now is get out the cheese, and then we lay two slices on top of each one, like that. Never cheat on the cheese, boys and girls. Never cheat on the cheese. And that goes back into the oven for about 5 minutes, just to allow all that cheese to melt up. Oh wow, in the heat of that oven it took just about 2 minutes for that to melt down like that, and so now we have two gorgeous Hawaiian style gammon steaks. I'm just going to plate this up and let you see how it looks. Alright, let's cut into this bad boy and see what it's doing. Let's give it a try. That is absolutely fantastic. The melted cheese works really well with it all, and the pineapple adds a nice fruity tang which goes perfectly with the saltiness of the gammon steak. That's just amazing. It really is delicious. Let me cut that bit off and just indulge once more. Yummy. Gorgeous. As my friends in Trinidad would say, it lash. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.